guys. I thought I think I know what this is, but I thought I would share it with you anyway. This is a little happy mail that has come from a girl that I know through the Junk Journals Down Under Facebook group, and her name is Karlene C, and she's put this little old, I can't read it because I'm too blind, but I think it's like a little advertisement. Looks like it's from a newspaper. Really cute. And let me just open this. Oh, I should have started it before oh no, because I'm really unco opening these on camera. I should have started it, sorry, before I turn the camera on. Let me get in under here. Oh yeah. Okay. Next time, sorry, I will start opening it before. I think, Karlene, you're like me. You use a lot of sticky tape. I still haven't learnt the old less is more with sticky tape and glue. Okay, so... Oops. Oh, okay, I see. I think it was a big envelope that was folded over. Oops, I don't want to cut some... whatever might be inside. Oh, yeah, okay. So... Oh, look at your beautiful little baggie that you put it in. So cute. And look at these. They're like little paper labels. They're actually transparent. I don't want to rip that. Oh no, this will pose. Oh, it's a sticker. Is this washi tape? Maybe it's some sort of washi tape. Yeah, because it's sticky on the back. Oh, that's good because I can take that off without ripping. Look how cute that little baggie is. I love cute little baggies. Oh, so sweet. Karlene posted some pictures the other day on Facebook of some little tickets and postcards and that she was making. And she had purchased this tiny little postcard stamp, and I was like, oh, that is so cute. I really want to buy one. And then she said to myself and another girl who was liking them, oh, I'm going to send you some. And I was like, oh, I feel so greedy. But look how cute that is. It's teeny tiny. It's so cute. I really love it. I really want to get a few stamps. I do have one little pack that has like, I think a butterfly, a flower, a dragonfly, that my husband got me from Aldi. But that's it. That's the extent of my stamps. But it's so cute. I love that. And look, oop. This is so gorgeous. She's backed it onto coffee or tea dyed paper. That actually looks like a proper, a proper postcard. I love it. Thank you, Karlene. And look at these little tickets. I don't know why, but I have always had a thing for little tickets. And even as a kid, I always liked little tickets and little papers and slips and that sort of thing. But look at these. These are so awesome. And she's done them on, it's quite thick, that thick rough paper. Oh, I love them. They actually look real. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. And she's got the perforations there as well. See along there, where they rip the little stub off. Transport buses. Those are so, so adorable. And look at the little Did you make this? The little envelope they come in. Thank you, Karlene. They are so gorgeous. Like, I won't want to use these. I'll just want to, like, hoard them all. But they are so, so cute. And I don't know, Karlene, do you have a YouTube or Etsy? I'm not sure, but I will check. And if she does, I'll put it in the description box below. If you don't see anything there, that means she mustn't have one. And also, I wanted to say a thank you to Pirjo. She's from Pirjo Blues on YouTube, and I'll put the link to her YouTube channel below. You might have seen it before. I did a loaded envelope swap with her, and actually I'll put the link, a link as well to what she sent me, because she's really creative. Go check out her channel. She's really talented. She went on holidays to Scotland, and yesterday this beautiful little postcard arrived, and I just thought it was so lovely of her to just think of me and send a postcard. And she said, "Greetings from sunny Scotland." And down the end she said, "The English here sounds funny." But I love the Scottish accent. I think it sounds gorgeous. I can't understand a word they say, of course. We had a few Scottish guys at work that I could never understand, but they sounded awesome. But look at that beautiful old castle. That's mine and my husband's dream, to purchase an old, abandoned, rundown castle. How awesome would that be? I would love one of those. Or a fort, which may be what this is. I don't know. I can't tell the difference, but look how gorgeous it is. Anyway, so thank you so much, Karlene. I love, love, love your little tickets and postcards, and thank you so much. So generous to just send them off to everyone that was just admiring them. I feel so greedy sometimes. I'm scared to say I like anything because everyone tries to send stuff to you. They're so cute. Anyway, and thank you, Pirjo, for thinking of me in Scotland on your holiday. She's back now, actually. But so nice of you to send that. I love postcards. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, wait. Before I go. Today, JD from Willowbound Journals, I'll put the description... I'll put the link to her YouTube channel below. You probably all know it already. But the Beyond Blue mystery packs, they're up on Etsy already. And I checked, and I think she's sold 4 so far. Well, that was an hour ago when I checked. And so if you don't know, JD's having a kind of a challenge where you send a little craft item into her. She's collating all of the crafty items to make some mystery packs for Beyond Blue, and they're selling for $10 on Etsy, and the whole proceeds will go towards Beyond Blue. So they'll be donated to Beyond Blue. So I've already ordered my little pack, and because I have seen some gorgeous stuff people have sent in, and some beautiful, beautiful handmade items. So I'm hoping to get some of those little handmade tags and goodies like that. But yeah, head over to JD's channel, and she also does a little craft studio tour, which is really, really cute, and she shows all the donations lined up along the bench and floor, and there's heaps of stuff that's been donated. The response has been awesome. I love it. But head over to her channel and have a look, and go check out her Etsy store. And if you are able to, grab one of those mystery packs. If they're sold out when you go there, don't worry, because she's going to keep making up packs as she gets time, and increasing the available quantity in her Etsy shop. So if you see that they're sold out, just check back. And also, if you're in Australia, I saw an email from Etsy that they've got some downtime. I think it's tonight and on the 26th. So if you do go to purchase a mystery pack, and if Etsy is down, just come back tomorrow, because they're doing some site maintenance or something like that. Anyway, that's it, and thanks for watching. Bye.